Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the flex basis property. And this, what it does is that it sets the initial size of an item before, if you have a flex rank or flex row, before those CSS adjustments take into place. So this property takes in a unit such as pixels, EM, percentage, and there's also the value of order you can use based on the content it has. So we can use it for this exercise. So flex basis for box 1 to 10 EM. So we do copy this, box 1, and then we do 10 EM. And now we see that it displays at 10 EM. And now we do box 2 at 20 EM. So I can just copy this for now. It shows up here, and then we do 20 EM. It's going to take up more. And we have it set with this Flexbox container. And that'll be it. Thank you so much.